28, graduation, moving up pala. Ano yan, moving up ni Hana from Kinder 1 to Kinder 2. Excited ka?
Yes.
Wow, excited daw siya.
Before yun na kinder 1 ako.
Okay, Kinder 1 ka ngayon.
Ako yun 4 years old ako, kinder 1 ako.
Anong gagawin mo doon, Hana? Magsing ikaw?
Ako in up in the sky.
Sige, sample nga.
Up in the sky, I shine so bright. I'm a little star full of bright. With every dream, with all I do, shining bright, go all of you. 1, 2, 3, little star. Watch me shine near and far in Milky Way. I like the way shining bright, gold night and day.
Wow,
And
galing.
friends I
Ay, meron pa.
make, love so true. I learn and go out thanks to you. The teachers care, parents cheers. I feel your love always near. 1, 2, 3, little star. Watch me shine near and far in Milky Way. I like the way shining bright, go all of you.
Okay. Galing naman.
Tatambay mamaya.
Ayan, dito lang pala ito. Dito na. Napaloob pa pala, no?
Ano na to?
Ayan, malapit na kami paloob.
Dito ako tatambay mamaya at kalong. Hindi ako tatambay mamaya.
Ngayon nila kami nakapunta dito kaya hindi namin alam kung saan. Kalapan Convention.
May arenda.
Ayun yun yata, yung pinakadulo na yun. Ayan, dito nga.
Yan,
Maliit.
aling building dyan sa dulo.
Siguro yung dulo, yung pinakadulo daw eh.
Wala pa.
Pang oras na alauna eh, 1:30, bago mag 1:30. Mamaya dyan, sunod-sunod na yung magdadatingan. Tandaan lang kayo, baka malaman ko saan pwedeng mag-park. Saan ka mag-park? Yung likod dito eh, baka dyan ang harap.
Yan, dito.
Ay baka ito yung daanan direct yung ginubatan.
Yan ha.
Yan, pag natapos. Ayan na nga, dito ang harap. Basta kami tayo magpapad. Doon nga kayo sa harap.
Ay, may kanlong dito.
Hanap ako ng kalong.
Sa may lubo. Una, tayong una. Ito baka may nakasakay naman. May mga meron. Ayun oh, sakay ng ano na yun. Oh, no parking, drop off only. Manap na kayo ng permanent na paparkingan ninyo.
Hanap ako ng kalong. Yan sa likod.
Wala, nasa baba pa rin sila yo. Ayun oh. Nasakay ng Innova. So, okay. Andito na kami sa Calapan Convention Center. Ngayon lang kami nakarating dito. And tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Kami yata ang pinakauna. Wala pa kami nakikita. Oh, nabi nga eh. Kami nga ang pinakauna. Ay, ang pinakauna kami.
Kala ko yung
Ay.
malapit.
Ayan. Kami ang pinakauna. So hanapin lang namin yung upuan ni Hana dito. Ayan, ito yung kuha. Oh. Ay,
Kami din ang magpipicture sa ano mamaya. Meron po kami promo na kung may avail ay
Hana,
5R tapos isang 8R na plus lahat ng soft copy na ninyo.
is it good?
Ang ganun, nasa na lang, nasa
Ayan, nagdadatingan pa lang yung mga magmo-moving up. Ang kulit talaga. So, Ayan. Malawak pala to pero parang ilang portion lang yung kinuha. I think 1/4 lang. Aparte parang 1/4 lang yung kinuha kasi maliit na konti lang yung estudyante. Ayan, 1:24. Alas 2 magsisimula. Hana.
Gianna Adriel Ortiz Castel, Hannah Valerie Aquaviva Fortus, Yanesha
Up in the sky, I shine so bright. I'm a little star glowing light. With every step, I find my way, growing strong each day. Looking at the sky so bright, I'm a little star full of pride. With every dream, with all I do, shining bright for all of you. 1, 2, 3, little star, watch me shine near and far. In Milky Way, I light the way, shining bright both night and day. With friends I've made, love so true. I learn and grow, all thanks to you. With teachers' care, parents' cheers, I feel your love always near. 1, 2, 3, little star, watch me shine near and far. In Milky Way, I light the way, shining bright both night and day. Thank you, friends, for fun and play, for joy and laughs every day. Thank you, teachers, for guiding me, helping me be who I'll be. Thank you, parents, for all you do. With your love, I shine for you. 1, 2, 3, little star, watch me shine near and far. In Milky Way, I light the way, shining bright both night and day. I'll keep shining soft and true, forever grateful, thanks to you.
Wow naman. Flowers.
Yeah, that's flowers.
Tapos babalik pa kayo doon?
Babalik pa kayo doon.
Hindi ko alam. Babalik pa ata kayo, babe. Thank you, baby. Kissing ka.
Give na yan kay mami.
Kasi ka, daddy.
Si daddy.
Dito ka na tayo.
Okay, we're done. Tapos na. Okay. We're done for today. Tapos na ang ano. Tapos na ang moving up ni Hana.
Meron ako flower kay mama. Babigyan ko kay mama.
Kay mama at kay daddy.
Ayan. Okay, we're done. Wendy's. Okay.
Yeah, Bobby Boo. Billy Bobby Boo making more matchup.
So, pauwi muna kami ngayon. Pauwi na pala talaga. Ayan, tapos na for the day. Bukas naman ay masimba kami. So, medyo malayo ang sisimbahan namin. I-upload ko dun sa susunod na video yung vlog ng pagsimba namin sa malayo. So, yun lang.